Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am doing a design kind of like Pop Smoke braids, but with a little twist. As you can see right here, I'm starting off in the back and I am just parting the design. The design that I'm doing, I've seen it on Pinterest. I really don't know the picture anymore. I just was like, oh, I could do this style. So it's like a part of another hairstyle that I've seen on another person. So I like combine them. But as you can see right here, I'm starting a design. So each part will be a design. It'll be a design, then a braid, then a cornrow. So this braid happens to be the design cornrow. With the design, I am basically creating the section, and then in each corner part I am doing triangles and doing an individual braid. You will see me moving my son head quite a bit. He's actually 6'10", basically 7 foot, and he's very tall, and he doesn't really hold his neck to like the angle that I need to. So I'm constantly moving his head. I am not hurting him. You'll see him doing a lot of laughing. So just know that this is just how he is. He's just a very bobblehead-ish type of client of mine. This is my son. But yeah, so as you can see right here, I'm basically smoothing out the part that I am going to create the cornrow. I am smoothing it out so everything will go in perfectly into the cornrow, and you're going to see me start braiding like so. As I braid, I probably braid like an inch or a half an inch, and then you'll see me like so, grabbing in those little triangle parts and start to put them into the cornrow and just cornrow it down. This hairstyle is very easy. It was very easy to do. It wasn't really hard. If you did Pop Smoke or just like cornrows, small cornrows, all you're basically doing is going in the corners of the parts and creating the triangle, and then you just cornrow it down. I didn't do this design throughout his entire head simply because he did not want to take down little bitty braids of each one. So he was like, every other one was perfect. So since I am in the back row, I've done 3. So this one is a design, then the middle one isn't a design. It's just a straight cornrow, and then the other one is a design like you see right here. As I continue to do the hairstyle, I've already pre-parted a lot of it. As you can see, if you look back, you see all those clips. I've basically created the part, but I did not create the design on all of them. And I just did that to make sure that the proportions of each part are wrapped around his head was measured out properly. So yeah, this style was very fun, very easy. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you'll know when I'm posting. I post for the most part once a week. If I don't, then I will let you know in the community post. And yeah, please subscribe. If you have any questions or comments or want to know any products, they're in the description below. Please sign up to join my membership, and you can get videos early. Not just videos early, I'll also just do like behind the scenes and just different stuff. You can get to know me on a more intimate level. So please join and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Continue to watch. Peace and hair grease. you.